Hi there. In this video we are going to talk about create a MySQL database using PHP. So first let me create a new file under this folder MySQL create db.php. So whenever we want to perform a database query or database related stuff, remember always we have to connect PHP with MySQL. And in our previous video we already connected MySQL with PHP. So again we have to connect this in this file because we are going to execute this file separately. So first always connect it with database and then perform the MySQL query. And why we are connecting database? Because we are going to use this MySQL query to create a database, and to execute this MySQL query we have to connect it with MySQL. So that's why we have to connect this again. So we already wrote a connection code over here. Let me exit over here. So if connection is not successful, then we don't need to execute further. So as I wrote this code in this file connection.php, so I'm going to add sorry, what happened? Something happened. I'll look into that later. Yeah, so connection.php has the code to connect with MySQL. So in this file I'm going to include that file so that I don't need to write this code again. Connection.php. So if I run this file, it will execute everything from this file too, because I am including this file over here. Let's see. Refresh. It says connected successfully, which is originally into this file. Now we have to execute this SQL command. So to create database, syntax is create database and then database name. So first of all, let me open phpMyAdmin. And in our previous video I have created a test database. No, not this one. Yeah, PHP tuts. I have created this database. So I'm gonna copy this name and I'm going to delete this database. Operation drop the database. So as you can see, now PHP tuts database is not anymore. Now I'm going to create the same database name. So create database and database name is PHP tuts. So this is the SQL query to create a database. Now we have to execute this query using PHP function. So to execute any SQL function, SQL query, the PHP function is mysqli query. And for query, first parameter is uh, MySQL connection and second is query. So in the connection.php we have this variable connection. So same we should be able to use over here like this, and we can put like this. So if database is, so it will execute this SQL query and will create a database. So if our database is created successfully, then print this, else to print an error, MySQL has PHP has function called MySQLi error, and then in the error we have to pass this. Now let's try to execute this file again. So connected successfully and DB is created. Let's see if the DB is available or not. So as you can see, the DB is created, but there is no tables. So this is how we can create a database using PHP functions. If you have any doubt or question related creating the database, please write down below in the comment section. In the next video, we will try to create table. Thanks for watching.